I'm Liz Schmidt.
I'm Gabriella Ramirez.
And this is Salty Jobs. We're hosts of a video series exploring real marine careers that keep the industry moving forward.
Today, we're in Fort Lauderdale, Florida, the yachting capital of the world, to explore what goes into building the interiors of these yachts.
For over 30 years, Bayside Canvas, Yacht Interiors, has been in this space, crafting everything from beautiful yacht interiors to great canvas exteriors.
In this episode, we're getting a look at what it takes to measure, fabricate, and bring a custom yacht interior project to life. So Liz, want to see how it all comes together?
If it's a job on a yacht, I'm ready. Let's go.
I'm here with Chris, the installation manager with Bayside Canvas and Yacht Interiors. So Chris, tell me, what's it like working on projects like this and being in this beautiful environment?
I love it. This weather's great. No 2 days are the same. Never a dull moment.
So Chris, tell me your story. How did you get into the marine industry? How did you get into this role?
Well, I've done a little bit of everything. Carpentry, appliances. I like to work with my hands. Me doing canvas and upholstery, I actually get to use my brains more than my brunt strength.
When you work on these projects, Chris, what do you need to do to ensure everything goes according to plan?
You got to know geometry, you got to read a tape measure, you got to know angles, and just use your brains.
Use your brain. Perfect. And with people watching and they see themselves, they resonate with your story, Chris, what advice do you have for them? What kind of skills or classes should they take to be in this role?
I didn't take any. I just learned by trial and error. I would say just go for it. Jump in it. That's the only way you're going to learn is to get out there and do it.
So I have to go for it, right, Chris?
Yes, ma'am.
Then let's get measuring.
I joined Chris on the yacht. We gathered the materials we'd need. I laid down the tape first to hold the craft paper in place. We don't want anything shifting because that's how you lose accuracy. Then I rolled out the paper, set it over the tape, and carefully cut it to size, making sure not to cut it into the base underneath.
I'm here with Paul, president of Bayside Canvas and Yacht Interiors. So Paul, tell me, how did you get into this industry?
So my mother started this company 34 years ago, back in 1992. So I have been immersed into it since I was a baby. But as far back as I can remember, I would be sent off to boats as a helper, probably when I was about 7 or 8 years old, because it was just a great way for my mom to get some easy daycare in.
Right, and then learning about the industry along the way, that's fantastic. So it takes quite a team of people to build that cushion or that pillow that you see on that beautiful yacht. So tell me a little bit about what you do here and the team involved.
Yeah, so we are a small business, family owned and operated. We specialize in the fabrication of premium soft goods for the marine industry of South Florida.
Is there any specialized training or certifications that they hold to be able to do this work?
One of the certifications that they do hold is the OSHA 10, and so that's with the compliance within the marine industry. A lot of the stuff we do here is a very unique trade. It does take some training.
So where do they get that training?
A lot of the training happens in-house with our master technicians that have been doing this for 10 plus years.
Wow, sounds like there's lots of people involved in this process, lots of great craftsmanship. Let's get to sewing. Let's go check it out.
Let's do it.
I met Gabriella back in the office to receive the measurements for the cushions we'd be creating. Then Paul and I measured out all the sides of the material to make sure everything would fit exactly as planned. Then we marked the template directly into the fabric and cut along those lines. Once everything was cut, I brought it over to the sewing machine. You don't want to go too fast. Nice and controlled on the pedal. Next, I measured and cut the foam using the foam saw so it fits perfectly inside the cushion. Now for the upholstery. I laid the material down first, and then the foam, and then the backing foam on top. After that, I wrapped up everything tight so it holds its shape. Then I used a compressor and a staple gun with stainless steel staples, important for marine use, and I stapled about a finger's width from the edge, spacing them every couple of inches to keep everything secure. For the finishing touch, I added the piping, stapling it along the edge so it hangs just right, giving it a clean look and a nice pop of color.
Now that we have finished the cushions, we head back to the yacht for installation. First, we line everything up and push it into place, making sure it fits clean, tight, and exactly how it was measured. From template to stitch to install. That's how it all comes together.
And this is Salty Jobs.
So you go next.
No, you're next.
And this
It's Salty Jobs. All right, wait. We're starting over from the top.
from the top.